In today's fast-paced world, everyone seems to be talking about the latest investment trends or the flashiest ways to grow wealth. But sometimes, the best strategies are the ones that fly under the radar. These are the silent money moves that don't grab headlines but can quietly build your financial security over time. Here are some simple yet effective money moves you should consider making. Number 1, automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to build wealth over time is to automate your savings. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts, you ensure that you're consistently putting money away without having to think about it. This strategy helps you avoid the temptation to spend extra cash on unnecessary purchases. Over time, these small, regular contributions can grow into a substantial nest egg. For example, if you set up an automatic transfer of just $100 per month into a savings account, you'll have $1,200 saved by the end of the year, not including any interest earned. It's a simple, no-fuss way to make sure your money is working for you. As your income grows, consider increasing these automatic transfers to further boost your savings. This approach ensures that as your financial situation improves, your savings do as well. Number 2, live below your means. It might sound obvious, but living below your means is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of all luxuries, but rather making thoughtful choices about where your money goes. Focus on spending less than you earn and avoid lifestyle inflation, where you increase your spending as your income grows. For instance, if you receive a raise at work, instead of upgrading your car or moving to a more expensive apartment, consider maintaining your current lifestyle and saving or investing the difference. This approach allows you to build wealth steadily without feeling like you're making sacrifices. It also gives you financial flexibility, enabling you to handle unexpected expenses without stress and providing more options in the future, such as taking a career break or retiring early. Number 3, pay off high-interest debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom, especially when it comes with high interest rates. Quietly paying down high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, should be a top priority. The interest on these debts can quickly accumulate, making it difficult to build wealth. Start by focusing on the debt with the highest interest rate and make extra payments whenever possible. As you pay down each debt, move on to the next one. This strategy, often referred to as the avalanche method, helps you save money on interest payments and frees up more cash to put towards savings and investments. Additionally, as you reduce your debt, your credit score will likely improve, which can lower the cost of borrowing for larger purchases like a home or car in the future. Number 4, invest in low-cost index funds. Investing in the stock market is often seen as a risky venture, but it doesn't have to be. One of the best-kept secrets in personal finance is the power of low-cost index funds. These funds track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, diversification with minimal fees. Unlike actively managed funds, which try to beat the market and often come with higher fees, index funds simply aim to match market performance. This approach keeps costs low and reduces the risk of making poor investment choices. Over time, investing in index funds can quietly build substantial wealth, thanks to the power of compound interest. For those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing, regularly contributing to an index fund is an easy and effective way to participate in the stock market's growth. Number 5, max out retirement contributions. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401(k) or an IRA is one of the most effective silent money moves you can make. These accounts offer tax advantages that can significantly boost your savings over time. For example, contributions to a traditional 401(k) are made with pre-tax dollars, which lowers your taxable income for the year, and the investments grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. If your employer offers a matching contribution, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money. By quietly maxing out your retirement contributions each year, you're setting yourself up for a financially secure future without having to rely on Social Security alone. Additionally, starting early and consistently contributing to your retirement accounts can lead to a comfortable retirement, giving you the freedom to enjoy your later years without financial stress. Number 6, reinvest dividends. If you invest in stocks or mutual funds that pay dividends, consider reinvesting those dividends rather than taking them as cash. Reinvesting dividends means using the dividend payments to buy more shares of the investment. This strategy allows your investments to grow more quickly, thanks to the power of compounding. Over time, reinvesting dividends can lead to significant growth in your investment portfolio, all without requiring any additional effort on your part. It's a simple, silent move that can have a big impact on your long-term wealth. The beauty of this strategy is that it works in the background, gradually increasing your holdings and potential returns without needing to adjust your lifestyle or make additional investments. Number 7, regularly review and adjust your financial plan. It's important to regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, whether it's a new job, a growing family, or an unexpected expense, can affect your financial goals. By quietly reviewing your budget, savings, and investment strategies on a regular basis, you can ensure that you're on track to meet your financial objectives. This doesn't mean obsessing over every penny or checking your investments daily. Instead, set aside time once or twice a year to evaluate your progress and make any necessary adjustments. This proactive approach will help you stay on course and make the most of your financial opportunities. By keeping a close eye on your financial health, you can make informed decisions that align with your long-term goals, ensuring steady progress toward financial independence. Number 8, practice stealth wealth. Stealth wealth is the practice of keeping your financial success private. Instead of flaunting your wealth with expensive purchases or lifestyle changes, continue living a modest life and avoid drawing attention to your financial gains. This approach not only keeps you grounded, but also helps you avoid unnecessary pressure or expectations from others. Practicing stealth wealth allows you to focus on what truly matters, your future, and supporting your loved ones, without getting caught up in the need to impress others. It's a silent but powerful way to maintain control over your financial life. Number 9, focus on long-term financial goals. While it's tempting to seek quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes, true financial success comes from focusing on long-term goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, paying off your mortgage, or building a college fund for your children, having clear, long-term financial goals can guide your decisions and keep you on track. By consistently working towards these goals and avoiding distractions, you can steadily build wealth over time. This silent commitment to your financial future is often overlooked, but can lead to significant rewards down the road. Building wealth doesn't always require bold moves or risky investments. Sometimes the most effective strategies are the ones that go unnoticed. By automating your savings, living below your means, paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, investing in low-cost index funds, maxing out retirement contributions, reinvesting dividends, regularly reviewing your financial plan, practicing stealth wealth, and focusing on long-term goals, you can steadily and quietly grow your wealth. These silent money moves may not make headlines, but over time, they can lead to financial independence and security. The key is consistency, discipline, and a commitment to your financial well-being, ensuring that you're not only prepared for today, but also for the future.